I don't recommend clubbing and partying too much. It's just instant dopamine, a waste of money, a waste of energy, and a waste of time. It drains you and it makes you lazy, so you don't really want to be doing it a lot. In your teenager years and your early 20s, you tend to go out here and there, right? Even myself, on the rare occasion, I will go out. And I want to tell you one thing. Whenever you sometimes, make sure sometimes, go clubbing, whenever that rare occasion comes where you do go out and party, make sure you do this one thing. Clubbing and partying and going out doesn't really do any good for you, but the one thing it can do good for you is this. You can improve and work on two very big things here, right? The ability to talk to people, make friends, and Riz. And if you don't know what Riz is, it's your game. It's your ability to chat to women. When you go clubbing, it's a social environment, right? Everyone goes clubbing and most people are open and happy to talk to random people because you're going out, right? It's a social gathering of a lot of people that tend to be your age, unless you're 45 going clubbing, it's a bit weird. But since this is the case and you're going there out with your mates or whoever you're going with, you need to practice these two things, right? So you need a great opportunity for you to practice these two things. You can talk to practically anyone in there, right? Everyone's, lit, everyone's ready to party and have fun, and people will be open to talking to you. This is where you can practice your social skills, right? Let's first talk about making friends, right? If you want to make friends regardless of gender, just talk to people, right? Introduce yourself, ask questions, be attentive, make them laugh, make them smile. From there you will probably make friends. I've broken down the book How to Win Friends and Influence People, so watch that video if you want to go out and talk to people. And there I've given tips and advice on how you can make people like you. So I play football, and you'd be surprised that when I'm in a group with my friends, we bump into other people that also play football. It improves your network. You might be doing business, you might be studying a certain course, and other people may also be doing that. You'll only find out unless you chat to them, so you might as well find out and just chat to them. This is a good time to get over your fears, just chatting to people, right? The thing about clubbing is there's so many people around you. If so-and-so person's giving you dry energy, doesn't really want to talk to you, just simply turn around and walk the other way, and there's going to be another person or another group of people there. It's a great way to break your fears and break your social anxiety, to chat to people and get the reps in, guys. If you don't really approach strangers, if you're scared to talk to people, if you don't have many friends, just chat to more people, try and engage. You're only going to get better by putting the reps in, so make sure you do that. The second thing I'd say, and this is mainly for the boys, is improve your Riz, improve your game, improve your approach to women, right? Clubbing obviously is not the best of the best places to do this, but obviously if you're in a place like clubbing, you might as well get the most out of it and practice something that we all need practice on. What you want to do, and what advice I give quite a lot of people, is that just try and talk to as many girls as you can, right? If you find the girl attractive, she's giving you attention, go talk to her. Why not? You're in a social environment. It's a great way to get to know more people. It's a great way to meet women. It's a great way to meet girls. The best thing this will help you do is, right, get over your fear of rejection. You have to get rejected quite a few times if you want to get comfortable and confident with women. Clubbing is a great way to get this over and done with. The thing is, if you approach a girl, you chat to her, you ask for a number, and she's not interested and she kind of rejects you, then just move on, bro. Just turn around, say like, oh, okay, that's cool. Turn around and go again. Chat to the next girl, right? What happens usually when I go clubbing with my boys is that we go in together, chill for a bit, and then we just disperse and go our own ways, and we meet up again later. That's what happens, right? When you're on your own, you want to improve your Riz, improve your game, guys. So getting rejected is very important, and in the club, it doesn't really matter if you get rejected, bro. If you get rejected, dark, it kind of gives you the psychological thing that, yeah, not many people can see you anyways. If you get rejected and you're embarrassed, then who cares, man? Turn around and, chat to someone else. I'm sure someone in there will want to chat to you. If you got a haircut, if you're looking good, if you're somewhat confident, someone in there will show somewhat interested in you. And if they don't, you got serious work to do, my bro, and I can help you in it. So just stay tuned for more content. Another thing this will help you do, right, when you're speaking to girls and approaching women in the club, is that it will help you gain a concept of how to approach a girl, what to say, what's cringy, what's not cringy, how to seem more confident, how to introduce yourself, right? These things you will pick up only by doing them more and more. This will also help you improve your conversation with women and get to know how to talk to women, right? This obviously helped my Riz a lot more, right? My game, my ability to talk to women, my ability to approach women, and you can develop your own style of approaching women. And don't be creepy. This is something I want to make clear here, right? If a girl's not giving you any attention, if she's not interested, move on, bro. Just turn around, chat to someone else and go from there. Make sure you lot do this, guys. Make sure if you do go out, if you do go clubbing, if you do indulge in degenerate behavior, make sure you improve your friendship making skills. talking to people, making friends, talking to strangers, and approaching women, talking to women, improving your game. Make sure if you go out, at least you do these 2 things and improve something while you're at it. If you like that video, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content. I'll catch you all in a bit. Love.